Welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey everyone, so I'm living in an apartment right now for college, and in today's video I will be giving you a room tour. Also, please don't mind my voice. It's so dry up here that my voice gets like this in the mornings. So here is an overview of my room. Here's my desk, and I will show you guys the details in a moment. There's my closet. So on the back of my door, I just have my mirror that hangs from the top and my trash bag. This is kind of loud, but it's my heater, so I'm really grateful for that because it gets pretty cold up here. In this corner is where I keep all my shoes, and next to it is my current art project since I am an art major. I didn't do a ton of decorations, but I did bring this one, which is really cute, and I'm super glad that I did. Here we have two super fluffy blankets and my little puppy, which is actually a beanbag, which you can heat up in the microwave. Here is my bed, and it's actually pretty cool because it's the zipper kind, so that makes it extra cozy and comfy. I also recently got a mattress topper that's like memory foam, which is so nice because before the bed was super uncomfortable. Here's my pillow, here's an extra pillow. Now under my bed is pretty much just a lot of storage. This is stuff for my art class, this is for my own filming. Back here I have all my suitcases that I brought. They're all empty now, but I just store them here. And this is also for an art class. Here's my desk, which is at the moment filled with art supplies because I've been working on a little marker project. I've got a cute little fox, a pineapple plant that was once broken, a picture of my siblings, one of my sketchbooks back here, some paintbrushes with my scissors and a ruler, some Kleenexes, bunch of pens and pencils, and my Alexa, which I am really glad that I brought. In this corner is my guitar. Well, technically it's David's guitar, and he was nice enough to let me bring it because I did not want to bring my really nice signed Brian May guitar. So since David has two others, he let me bring this one because it was a little bit older of all his guitars. Anyways, here's my cable and amp. This is super tiny, like look how small this is, and I love it. It's a great brand. I specifically bought it for college because it's so small. Here is my closet. I know back here looks messy, but that's just where I keep my dirty clothes. Up here is all of my sweaters, coats, and jackets. On the left side is where I keep all my shirts. Then up here we have some bags, a bunch of beanies, some sweaters, an extra blanket, my snow gear, my shower bag, emergency water, and Sunny D that's actually for a sponsorship. Back there is the guitar case, my iPad case, and laptop case. Here is my perfume and jewelry boxes. This bin is kind of random stuff, but it's still pretty much organized, like these aren't usually here. But we have vitamins, this is trash bags, this is random stuff like sunglasses and extra water. This is a bunch of cables and stuff for charging all my random things. And these are actually all from Christmas because I couldn't eat it when Christmas came around because I had my wisdom teeth out, so I just saved all the candy. This is just kind of random stuff like scrunchies and necklaces. This is where I keep my jeans and pants. Here is where I keep pajamas and socks and stuff like that. In the second drawer here we have tank tops, leggings, and all stuff for layering. And this one is my favorite because it has all of my art supplies. I almost forgot, but back here is where I keep my dresses. Here's my day bag I bring to campus every single day, and I just hang it on my chair. Here's another little overview of the whole room. Anyways, I hope you guys liked today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye!